How to redeem Wendy's gift card. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can redeem Wendy's gift card. Now the process is quite simple. You can do so on the app itself as well, or you can do on the browser as well. Now here on the browser you can see I'm on my browser. What you want to do is you want to search in for Wendy's gift card. Now this is just a shortcut that I'm showing, since logging into your account first will be a longer process. Simply here search in for Wendy's gift card and you can see the first link. It's the official Wendy's gift card, and make sure you are on the valid official Wendy's website. Simply tap on it and it'll take you to the gift card section here directly. You can see gift cards. Simply what you want to do is you want to enter in your card number and you want to enter in your PIN number, and you want to select that I'm not a robot, and you want to check balance. And once you do so, you want to log into your account. It'll ask you for account details, and there you'll be able to redeem your gift card. So this way you can redeem your Wendy's gift card. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.